Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something game-changing. How artificial intelligence is completely transforming HRM, that is human resource management. From hiring to onboarding, from performance reviews to career development. If you have ever thought HR was all about paperwork and processes, think again. Let's kick it off with data integration. Imagine connecting ChatGPT to everything. Your activity logs, emails, Slack messages, even Trello and Jira tasks. With tools like Zapier, Make and custom APIs, all your HR data get streamed into one smart system. And boom! ChatGPT starts giving you real-time manpower insights like it's your personal HR oracle. Next up, AI-powered task analysis. ChatGPT scans all those logs and goes, "Hey, this person has spent an hour tagging issues in Jira daily. Let's automate that." It groups tasks, finds patterns and suggests tools like Zapier or Power Automate. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about something every HR team loves. That is job descriptions. Just give ChatGPT a role title like Marketing Manager and guess what? It provides a polished, inclusive and laser-sharp JD in seconds. Unilever used this method and cut hiring time by 75% and it can analyze employee surveys to improve clarity and expectations. Real-time startups magic, right? Okay, this is cool. ChatGPT can define competencies for the roles. Amazon actually used AI to create next-gen job specs, replacing vague terms like IT skills with AWS cloud architecture. Results: 20% more relevant applicants, 30% faster hiring, and better hires, fewer misfits. Now here's where it gets insane. ChatGPT doesn't just react, it predicts. Planning to grow 30% next year? Expect to hire 15 more salespersons and train 5 internally. It can calculate demand, supply attrition, and even promotion potential. One company used this strategy and filled 95% of the roles without layoffs, saved $20 million. Hiring done. ChatGPT can generate killer job posts, ATS compatible resumes, and even code scripts to filter applications via APIs, that is Application Programming Interfaces. For example, you can write the prompt, "Show me all candidates with 5+ years of Python experience." Even better, it can analyze bottlenecks like why are people ghosting us after the second interview round? Total game changer. Vana. Here's something wild. Vodafone use AI chatbots to conduct interviews. They evaluate confidence, keywords, even language and emotional tones. Boosted candidate consistency and fit. Oh, and these bots send follow-ups, reminders, and onboarding instructions. Please upload your ID proof by 6 p.m. Yes, ChatGPT's got your back. Accenture use AI chatbots as parts of its virtual assistants for new joiners program. Tired of writing performance reviews? Let's AI do the heavy lifting. Input a few bullet points and bam! ChatGPT turns them into structured feedback. For example, a manager input bullet points about an employee achievements and ChatGPT turns them into well-structured review. John exceeded his Q3 sales target by 15%, demonstrating strong client relationship skills. However, he could improve his CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management documentation for better team alignment. AI can aggregate feedback from peers, subordinates, and managers to provide a holistic view of an employee performance. For example, after a presentation, a Microsoft Copilot bot asked team members, "How effective was Priya's client presentation? Scale 1 to 5. Any suggestions? AI compiles responses into a performance snapshot. IBM's Watson even gives real-time career advice based on emails, project data, and peer feedback. No more waiting for annual reviews. Feedback becomes our daily tool. Want to be a better leader? SAP's digital coach gives executives personalized learning, peer feedback, and real-time tips. Unilever's career navigation shows employees how to grow internally, from customer support representative to success manager in just 2 years. Results? More engagement, more retention, and more growth. Wow! And finally, let's not forget about payroll. AI tools like Rippling and ATP Smart Compliance handle salaries, taxes, bonuses, and even error detection. HR bots can update records across platforms instantly whenever someone joins or leaves. No more manual entries, no more mistakes, just smooth, seamless automation. AI is not the future of HR, it's the now. And if your HR team is not tapping into this power yet, they are already falling behind. So tell me in the comments which AI feature are you most excited to implement in your company. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video that helps your business grow smarter, faster, and stronger.